foragers. All is homed back here where the old place was. Later on they will find their way back. And they will go in there. So, it's not too serious. We'll have a look later on this afternoon. And all of them will be back in their box. And we'll leave it there for another day or two. But look in front here, they are orientating. So all well, all good. They're coming out and in here. It's just the first ones that went out early this morning. That's back over there. But they will come back into the hive. It's in the same line. It's a nice midday now. It's 1:30, 31st of July 2024. Nice. Hive number 1 on the move. Bees on wheels.